guys, welcome back to my channel, Dare, Inspire, Beautify, where you can be daring, inspiring, and beautiful all at once. So for today's video, I am just going to do like a mini drugstore haul. So today we have a special guest. It's my nephew Nathaniel. Say hi.
Hi.
He's so cute. Mr. Nathaniel is going to get the items and just be my handy dandy helper. Before we continue with the video, I just want to remind you guys to follow me on social media and hit that subscribe button, and also comment down below on what you would like me to do next, like any challenges or just inspirational stuff. So we're just going to go ahead and get started with the video. Okay, so Mr. Nathaniel, so you're going to get me the stuff and then I'll talk about them, okay? This? Okay. I don't own a curler for the, what is it called? The eyelashes? An eyelash curler. There you go. And I got the Revlon eyelash curler. Okay,
I'm
so
trying to take off my head.
why are you trying to take off your head?
My watch.
Get me the next thing. So this is just like the color for my nails. My mom does nails, so she's going to do my nails in this color. So I just kind of went looking for a color that I would like. She has all types of colors, but she didn't really have a color quite like this. It's like a purple, pink, white color. So yeah, I just got this for my nails, and yeah, get me the next thing. So now this is something I've been dying to try on, like something that I really want to like do something. I might do a video on this one. It's the Wet n Wild Color Icon Rainbow Highlighter. Last year it was like a whole thing that was trending, rainbow highlighter, and I think it still kind of is. But I've never tried it, so I'm also going to do a video on me trying the rainbow highlighter for the first time. And it's cruelty-free. Oh, what fun. Okay, Mr. Nathaniel, get me the next thing. So the next thing I have is the Free Man Feeling Beautiful Polishing Charcoal plus Black Sugar Gel Mask plus Scrub. It's dual action. If you know me, you would know that I love facial masks. Like it's something just so refreshing about that. Something just kind of like makes your skin feel soft, and you just kind of feel renewed after a face mask, you know. I've never tried this. I'll probably do a video on this one separately as well. And it was cheap too, so I don't know what to expect since I got it at such a low price. Next thing. Okay, now this is something I actually did need.
Yeah, stop it. I'm gonna die up.
Okay, so the next thing I have here is actually something I really did need. It's the Maybelline New York Fit Me Foundation, the Matte Plus Poreless one. I've heard great things about this one, so I'm really excited to try this one out. So yeah, just my drugstore one. I've been using it for such a long time. I'm pretty sure I can feel it running out. You know, you just have that feeling. Next thing, Mr. Nathaniel. This is the LA Colors Color Last Top Coat. I just bought this one to go over my other nail polish, just to make it like last longer. Yeah, they're kind of like 2-in-1. So.
Yes.
So guys, that is it for my video. This was just a really quick mini haul, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. Do you have anything to say, Mr. Nathaniel? No, he has absolutely nothing to say. Remember to subscribe and hit that like button, and also leave a comment down below on what you like me to do next. But I think that's pretty much it for now, right?
Right.
Yeah. Okay. Remember to live your life daring, inspiring, and beautiful. So, dare, inspire, beautify. Come on. Put your hand on the camera. Bye.